In this example, we want to find the absolute max and minimum values of the function f of x is 2x cubed minus 15x squared minus 36x on the interval from minus 3 to 3. So to do this, we first need to look for the critical points of this function. So we take the derivative and get that f prime of x here is 6x squared minus 30x minus 36. And I want to know where this is 0 to find critical points because there's nowhere where this derivative does not exist. So let this be 0, I can divide both sides by 6. This is the same thing as where x squared minus 5x minus 6 is 0. And since this factors as x minus 6, x plus 1, I know my values here are x equals 6 or x equals minus 1. I was going to care about the interval from minus 3 to 3. I can ignore the 6 because that's outside of my range, so I don't have to care about the minus 1 here. So I can now build my table of x values and f of x values. My x values will be at minus 3, minus 1, and positive 3. And I can plug all these into f to see what I get. And if we do that, we get that f of minus 3 is negative 81, f of negative 1 is 19, and f of 3 is negative 189. Then we can look at this table and pick the biggest and smallest values. So from this, we see that the absolute maximum value is 19, and the absolute minimum is negative 189. The max is attained at x equals minus 1, the min is attained at x equals 3, but the question asks for the max and min values, which are the y coordinates of those points. So that you can take a function and look at its derivative to figure out where its max and min values are on a given interval.